Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete this task, getting to Forgotten Kingdom, meet with Sensei Moro in Forgotten Kingdom. So to go there, you will need to be at least level 10. See, if you select your portal and place it, if you try to go to the Forgotten Kingdom, it says complete the quest, end of the beginning, reach level 10. So I will need to mine until I am at level 10, so if you're confused about that task, you will need to mine first and you will need to reach level 10. I think that's how you can get XPs, is by doing so. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take a long time for me to reach level 10. Maybe mine rocks and not pebbles. Let's see how many XPs I get from mining rocks. Okay, 2 XPs. I will need to try this one, but I have to be, at least 13 base damage to mine the rock. Okay, anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Oh, just defeat zombies. You'll get XPs by doing that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.